I-edit na natin ba?
20K pesos.
Pang debut nga kuan bo.
Yeah, so
Kami nga niya ako.
Oh, sige Jo. Mura videographer bo.
hour and a half to work. Yeah. So, but yeah, I don't want to live in an apartment and pay shitload of money. I want to have a comfy house. I want to move around, but we have two bedrooms. I can show you later. Camera. I can put up the camera on my phone. I can show you later. Like,
Why are you cold? How is that even possible? How is that even possible?
You look like Sukoy.
Ay pag
Bye guys!
Ano siya video? Babay na siya.
Bye na guys! Ano ka video?
How about your love with two phones by doing that? And the phone of Mama Going has so many pictures of the whole holiday up until now. Luckily it's not broken. But she takes all the videos and everything. It's good. Yeah. I really love my kids. I took more than 1,000
Let's go.
pictures already.
Bombits.
Eh, manapod.